BERG-EN-DAL is a rest camp in the south of the Kruger National Park in South Africa. It is easily accessible as Airlink flies daily from Johannesburg to Kruger Mpumalanga International Airport. After you arrive, it is a mere 1.5 hour drive from the airport to the rest camp. The camp is a lovely, medium-sized camp which is very well designed with quaint face brick cottages with thatch roofs and private patios with a great barbecue and seating area. Bushbuck, vervet monkeys, tree squirrels, and bush babies are a few of the smaller mammals you might see in the camp, as well as abundant bird life. Look out for sunbirds in the aloe plants and brown-headed parrots in the coral trees. Butterflies are also present even in the winter months. It is a very nice and quiet camp due to the sensible placement of cottages and pockets of indigenous vegetation being left throughout the camp. The Rhino Trail is a pleasant and extensive trail that wends its way through the camp and along the perimeter fence by the Matjulu River. We saw bushbuck on our walk as well as sunbirds. We also saw several elephants on the other side of the fence. The trail has interpretive signs with braille for the seeing impaired. There is a small museum about rhinos at the reception and a very nice curio shop with basic groceries, clothing, books, and memorabilia. The 6-bed cottages are always clean with fresh towels and linen. We also had plenty of space with the patio and barbecue area, indoor kitchen and lounge, 2 bedrooms, bathroom with a sink and bathtub, restroom, and a separate shower. Our unit had some minor maintenance issues with the thatch, and a tree squirrel had made its home there and ate all our avocados. It also fell down onto the bed in the night, which gave us quite a fright. The patio has a very nice seating area with table and chairs and built-in barbecue, but keep an eye out for the brazen vervet monkeys who will hop onto your table and steal food even if you are seated at the table. There also are several 3-bed cottages and 2 luxury guest houses. The campsites are well appointed and are quite popular during the school holidays. The camp has a very nice swimming pool. There's a lot of activity around the camp at night because of the presence of a waterhole, and you can hear the exciting repetitive calls of lions and trumpeting of elephants throughout the night. BERG-EN-DAL means hill and valley, so you can imagine the lovely scenery of rolling hills and farmlands outside the park and rugged granite kopjes in the park. I would recommend hiring a 4x4 vehicle for your self-drive safari because the S122 road is very scenic but rather rocky as it traverses a small mountain. The road along the Kruger River is also rather bumpy. The South African National Parks Board says to look out for wild dogs and leopard in the area, and we were not disappointed seeing both these kinds of animals not once but several times, even on the main roads. Early morning is the best time to spot wildlife as they are fresh and ready to start the day and head out to find food and water. You may also spy predators who are on their way back to a place of safety to nap during the day, such as leopards and hyenas. The camp has a nice restaurant and we treated ourselves to a delicious lunch on the patio. The restaurant is nicely located overlooking the camp waterhole, and you can see a variety of game and bird life at the water any time of the day or night. Wherever there's water, there are animals, so there's always something happening. A good spot to enjoy the sunset is Matjulu Waterhole off the S110. The S114 road along the Kruger River is also a good option. The H3 is a very good tarred road and is an excellent option for game viewing and has a couple of waterholes, including Rhinosta Pan, which is a great place to enjoy bird watching and have some tea and rusks. One of the Kruger Park's best kept secrets is the Malalan Bridge, which is an excellent spot to see varied waterfowl. If you are a keen bird watcher, I would definitely recommend checking this out. You can enjoy a self-drive safari in the morning, and in the afternoon head out on a very exciting sunset drive with a ranger in a large safari vehicle. The sky gets dark very quickly, and when the sun goes down, you can see a variety of nocturnal animals. We saw 2 civets, a genet, rhino, porcupine, hippo, 2 honey badgers, several scrub hares, as well as the highlight, a lioness with cubs that had eluded us that morning. Guided bushwalks and morning and evening game drives can also be enjoyed with a ranger. The anti-poaching units are doing a superb job of protecting wildlife in the Kruger Park, and with some 2 million hectares of wilderness to explore and so much space for wildlife to roam free, what you can spot is anyone's guess.